In continuing coverage now, we told you last week that Sean Diddy Combs has been convicted of a prostitution-related offense, but acquitted on the most serious charges. Tonight, ABC 12's Cheryl Coonan spoke with domestic violence prevention organizations in mid-Michigan to hear their reaction to the verdict.
Domestic violence advocates that we spoke with say that verdict can have two different sides of the spectrum. Some may see it as a setback for those who have experienced domestic violence and coercion, and others may see it as a powerful reminder to victims that they are not alone.
We know that when survivors are seeking justice, it can be difficult for them to prove their case.
Combs was found guilty of 2 of the 5 charges he faced, including 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution.
I was not surprised by the outcome, unfortunately. We see so often in the court system these outcomes where maybe they are charged with certain things, but then some of the more severe charges are completely dropped.
Lindsay Richardson of the Bay Area Women's Center and certified domestic violence advocate Grace Stewart both agree more people need to understand coercive control, the root of domestic violence, and the confusion that comes with this type of abuse.
And I think that's what the court missed. They missed that coercive nature of his crimes.
Kimberly Sachs is an associate professor of political science at the University of Michigan-Flint. She says the charge of a racketeering conspiracy, or RICO, of which Combs was acquitted, can be one of the most difficult to prove, but the 2 he was convicted of carry substantial prison time.
Each of those charges carries a maximum of 10 years.
But she says Combs likely won't see the maximum charge.
If I were to make a bet, I'd say it's somewhere in the range of, 5 to 7 for both.
Richardson says she hopes survivors will continue to come forward despite the outcome of this high-profile case.
Any survivor that makes that choice, that wants to seek justice, they're an incredibly brave person to be making that choice.
In Bay City, Cheryl Coonan, ABC 12 News.
And a tentative sentencing hearing date for Combs is set for October 3rd. The Bay Area Women's Center encourages anyone who has experienced domestic or sexual violence to contact them. And we have information right on Cheryl's story at abc12.com.